What's going on, good people? We are here again on the Rough Draft, episode 7. Real easy. This is going to be the before and after. This is going to show you where we were, how far we've come. I want you guys to take in, how far we've come. Look at the colors, look at the floor, look at the things that was in the place. And as we get to the latter part of this video, you'll actually get a chance to see where we are right now. A lot of this is going to look pretty familiar for you guys because a lot of you I really do want to appreciate. All of you guys have been following along and then seeing my weekly updates, so it really means a lot. But yeah, a lot of stuff is going to look pretty familiar. But never the case. I just want to show you guys just where we are, where we were. I think you'll see a sense of pride here for sure just to see the colors, see the flooring, see the new countertops, see the new kitchen and things of that nature. It's been a really exciting process. A lot of stressful phases throughout the process as well. I won't lie on that, but it's nevertheless has been a hell of a learning experience. I've learned a great deal. I've accomplished a lot. And I think you all can certainly see a lot of those things. I think it's been a self-evident process, and I think it speaks for itself here on the tail end of things. Throughout this video, once I get to the newer side of things that you guys see, you guys will actually get a chance to see the contractor. He's still working right now. He still has his famous workspace, as I always refer to. He's just tending to a few last minute miscellaneous things, but I do believe as of right now we are about 3 days from total completion. You'll see in the video I actually this weekend began to move some things into the new home, into the new space, so it's really exciting. A whole lot going on. I must say I am not the biggest fan of moving, but nevertheless, it's just a part of the process. Is what we're doing. So yeah. I just wanted to, come back to you guys, give you guys the update. It's been moving really quickly, and then we kind of messed some slow down points and everything. But nevertheless, this is where we are. Pretty exciting. Alrighty, getting back to it, we are at the kitchen. I'm really excited about this space. Look at the lights. I absolutely love those lights. I don't know, it's a certain level of sophistication. It does something to this space. We finally got countertops, and you see that box over the sink. That's actually the faucet. So we'll be getting that on. This was actually this weekend when I took this video, but yeah, we'll be getting that on. As you guys can see, a lot of the workspace still pretty dusty, things, last few finishing touches going on things, but that cleaning process will be commencing. And like I said, towards the end of this week, you guys should see the full finalized clean space. So I'm really excited about that. Like I've referenced earlier, we have began to start moving stuff in here. And I have this running joke with myself, the kitchen. I don't think I've ever seen the kitchen this white, this pure. I mean, I got a joke with myself. It looks completely holy. It looked like a church space. So yeah, there's that. So now, moving on, we are walking down the hallway, going to the first bedroom. So that first bedroom, the first thing to pop out is the ceiling fan. You guys will see. I think it really does something to the space. Just like those lights earlier, like I said, it brings a level of sophistication to it. I think, you guys could definitely remember the before and after. This space looked, it just looked gloomy. And now I think the ceiling fan really does bring a really special element to the space. So I really do like it. I think that blue is personally my favorite color, as you probably would have guessed. But yeah, I think this space for sure has certainly popped, and I'm really excited about it. So that's our first bedroom here. Okay, really quick, we have the master bedroom. Like I've referenced already, that ceiling fan. I think the ceiling fan really does something special to the space. It really does bring kind of a spark of sophistication, like I said earlier. So really do like that. Like I did say earlier, I didn't really do a whole lot of special things to the bedrooms. It wasn't a whole lot that needed to be done, just new paint, but I do like those ceiling fans. I've been talking about this bathroom for a few weeks now, but now it has all completed. I absolutely love the towel and I love the shower. Like I said, I'm only doing the shower, not doing the tub. So that's going to be a special little project for myself. The light is hanging, never fear. Work is still being done, so that's going to be completed soon. But yeah, this is the bathroom. I think this space right here was probably the biggest project, as you guys can see. But again, excited. So just wanted to show you guys some of that, finished product. You'll see the trim, the paint, it has completed. Some of the electrical, you'll see that as well, has been completed. So the process, we are there. The finish line is definitely in eyesight. I want to thank you guys so much for riding with me throughout it. I hope you guys have learned some things throughout this process, and I appreciate you guys tuning in weekly with me over these last several weeks. It means a lot. Thank you guys so much. Again, this is the Rough Draft. Come back later this week for the final episode. Let's do it.